Planning a memorable Europe adventure requires careful consideration and organization. With so many incredible destinations and attractions to explore, it's essential to create a well-thought-out itinerary. This step-by-step guide will help you plan your European adventure and make the most of your time on the continent. Before starting, support the channel by liking this video and subscribing to this channel for future updates. Step 1. Determine your travel duration and budget. The first step in planning your Europe adventure is to decide how long you'll be traveling and the budget you have available. Consider the time of year, as peak seasons can be more expensive and crowded. Determine how many days you can allocate to each destination and set a budget for accommodations, transportation, activities, and meals. Step 2. Research and select destinations. Europe offers a wide range of fascinating destinations, each with its own unique charm. Research various countries and cities to identify the places that align with your interests. Consider factors such as historical sites, cultural experiences, natural landscapes, and local cuisine. Create a list of potential destinations and narrow it down based on your preferences and available time. Step 3. Create a rough itinerary. Once you have chosen your destinations, create a rough itinerary by determining the number of days you want to spend in each location. Be realistic about travel times between cities and factor in additional time for unforeseen circumstances. Consider whether you prefer a fast-paced trip with many destinations or a slower-paced journey with more time to explore each location. Step 4. Plan your transportation. Research the best transportation options within Europe based on your itinerary. Consider flights, trains, buses, and ferries, depending on the distance and convenience. Look for budget-friendly options, such as regional airlines or Eurail passes for train travel. Ensure that you account for travel time and any visa requirements for specific countries. Step 5. Book accommodations. Begin booking accommodations for each destination based on your travel dates. Look for hotels, hostels, guest houses, or vacation rentals that suit your preferences and budget. Consider factors such as location, proximity to public transportation, and amenities. Booking in advance will ensure you have a place to stay and often offers better rates. Step 6. Research attractions and activities. Research the top attractions and activities in each destination to make the most of your visit. Look for historical sites, museums, iconic landmarks, and local experiences. Create a list of must-see attractions and prioritize them based on your interests. Consider booking tickets in advance for popular attractions to avoid long queues. Step 7. Plan daily itineraries. Create daily itineraries for each destination, outlining the activities, attractions, and meals for each day. Be realistic about the time required to explore each location, leaving some flexibility for spontaneous discoveries or relaxation. Use online maps and travel guides to determine the most efficient routes and optimize your time. Step 8. Research local cuisine and dining options. Europe is renowned for its diverse culinary scene. Research local cuisines and popular dishes in each destination to experience the authentic flavors of the region. Identify recommended restaurants, cafes, and street food vendors to include in your itinerary. Trying local delicacies is an essential part of any European adventure. Step 9. Pack appropriately. Consider the weather and activities in each destination when packing for your Europe adventure. Pack versatile clothing that can be layered, comfortable walking shoes, and essential travel accessories. Check the luggage restrictions for your chosen transportation methods to avoid any surprises. Step 10. Stay flexible and enjoy the journey. While it's important to have a well-planned itinerary, remember to stay flexible and embrace the unexpected. Allow some free time in your schedule to explore hidden gems or take part in local events. Embrace the local culture, interact with the locals, and make lasting memories. Remember that the purpose of your Europe adventure is not just to check off landmarks, but also to immerse yourself in the beauty and charm of each destination. Step 11. Organize travel documents. Ensure that you have all the necessary travel documents in order. Check the passport validity requirements for each country you plan to visit and renew your passport if needed. Determine if you require any visas and apply for them well in advance. Keep a digital and physical copy of your travel documents, including your itinerary and important contact information. Step 12. Notify banks and mobile service providers. Before embarking on your European adventure, inform your bank and credit card companies about your travel plans. This will help prevent any issues with your cards being blocked due to unusual transactions. Consider getting a travel-friendly credit or debit card with minimal fees for international transactions. Additionally, check with your mobile service provider about international roaming options, or consider purchasing a local SIM card for cost-effective communication. Step 13. Purchase travel insurance. Protect yourself and your belongings by purchasing comprehensive travel insurance. Ensure that the policy covers medical emergencies, trip cancellations, lost luggage, and any adventure activities you plan to undertake. Carefully read the terms and conditions of the policy to understand its coverage and exclusions. Step 14. Learn basic local phrases. While English is widely spoken in many European countries, learning a few basic local phrases can enhance your travel experience and show respect to the locals. Learn greetings, common expressions, and polite phrases in the local language. Locals appreciate the effort, and it can help you navigate through daily interactions and build connections. Step 15. Pack a travel adapter and power bank. Europe uses different plug types and voltage standards, so it's crucial to pack a universal travel adapter to charge your electronic devices. Additionally, carry a power bank to ensure you have a backup power source while exploring. It's convenient for long days of sightseeing or when charging options are limited. Step 16. Share your itinerary and stay connected. Share your itinerary with a trusted family member or friend. Provide them with your contact details, accommodation bookings, and any other relevant information. Regularly check in with them to update your whereabouts and ensure your safety. Stay connected through social media, email, or video calls to share your travel experiences and stay connected with loved ones. Step 17. Be mindful of local customs and etiquette. Respect the local customs and traditions of the countries you visit. Familiarize yourself with basic etiquette, dress codes, and cultural norms. This shows your appreciation for their culture and helps you blend in with the local community. Be mindful of local sensitivities and adjust your behavior accordingly. Step 18. Stay safe and secure. While Europe is generally a safe destination, it's essential to stay vigilant and take precautions. Be aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas or tourist hotspots. Keep your belongings secure and be cautious of pickpockets. Follow local advice and stay updated on any travel advisories or safety warnings. In conclusion, planning your Europe adventure itinerary requires careful research, organization, and flexibility. By following this step-by-step guide, you can create a well-rounded itinerary that allows you to explore the diverse cultures, history, and natural beauty of Europe. Remember to stay open to new experiences, embrace the local culture, and savor every moment of your European adventure. Safe travels! Is this video being helpful? Tell us in the comment section below. If you liked this video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.